welcome to Finance with N, my new channel. My name is Niranjan, and I'm here to tell you about my investment journey. My journey started in 2007, where as a young person, I had the wish of one day living off my passive income. I've studied in various countries, lived in 7 countries. I did my undergraduate education in the US in economics and finance, graduated with honors, and I've done my MBA from McGill University in Canada. I've worked in various roles, in leadership and management roles in companies, started off in the automotive industry, and since then branched out. I'm here to tell you about the mistakes I've made, what worked for me, what didn't work for me, and I hope you have fun and you enjoy watching this channel. Please note that this is not investment advice. This is just for your entertainment, so that you learn something from it. But if you'd like formal investment advice, I'd urge you to talk to your financial advisor, and please seek that advice. I hope you have fun watching this channel. I hope you learned something. And if you have any questions, comments, or feedback, please do write in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you, and please keep watching. Please like and please subscribe. Thank you.